Is Windows 11 Update KB5120708 failing to install, getting stuck, or showing an installation error on your PC? In this tutorial, I'll show you several effective methods to fix this issue. These solutions can help repair Windows Update components, fix corrupted system files, clear the update cache, and resolve common installation problems. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanup/image/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Once it finishes, type Exit and press Enter. Restart your PC. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scanno. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Type Services. Open Services. Locate the Windows Update service. Right-click Windows Update and select Properties. In Startup type, select Automatic. Open the Recovery tab. In second failure, select Restart the services. Press Start or Restart if the service is enabled. Now run Windows Update.